Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is not an important, well, it's an important video. So I need to announce that I have a not that for. I have a TikTok. Let me get my phone actually. I'll get to it right now. So that's the name. Right now we're at 0 followers and 0. By the time I make my first TikTok video, I want you to all go to it. All watch of it. Watch no matter what it is. These are going to watch it. And since it hasn't, let me just say, and to make some noise. So, we're going to be making a video here right now. Of course, I am going to be doing stuff for my fans on TikTok. A follow, a like, no DMs. Sorry, I said that. Yeah, and just for right now, I've just made a video, and yeah. See you guys all next time. Goodbye on my TikTok. That's going to be a few minutes after when it's